Hi, this is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach, and we are taking a look at our 2019 420 LXF Scout today. Quad 350s, white hull, white on white, beautiful boat. Let's take a look. Hi everyone, this is the 420. We're in the cockpit here. You can see the Quad 350s. And Scout has very unique designs. They have a flush transom. There's no cutout for an engine well, so you can get full access port and starboard side of pretty much all their boats with Mercuries. You have dive tanks in the back. You have a fold-out transom seat, walk-through transom door. Your fish boxes with chiller plates are in the port and starboard side. This is one of the neatest features, is the drop-down patio beach balcony. Very neat. And there's a ladder that also pops out. Your workstation, you have double row seating here. You have 3 across and then 2 in the back. And this is a reverse seat with a gimbal. And then this also pulls out into a grill. So you get the full workstation and then you can make it fully entertaining. One of the very inherent neat things that Scout does, very unique designs. This boat is 100% epoxy-infused carbon fiber. Above here is our articulated rod holders, and then the shade electrically comes out, and then it flush mounts right into the hard tom not in use. This is our second row seating here. And then we go forward to our main helm. We have triple large Garmin screens. We have our C-zone system, so as you can see, there's not a lot of switches. Basic default switches, but everything is pretty much customized in our C-zone with a lot of redundancy. If these screens go down, you still have access to all of your switches. This has our joystick and also bow thruster. As we go forward, we have a nice ample cabin. Take a quick look here. Forward berth, galley, and you actually have a stall shower and an enclosed head, which is nice. As we go forward, a large bow area, large bow lounge, forward console. You have an electric table that goes all the way down flush so you can have access to the windlass. It goes in this position for a sun pad and then all the way up for a table. All of these are insulated, drain directly overboard. Nothing drains into the bilge of any Scout, including rod holders, anything. Nice, large, hardtop. This one is equipped pretty much fully loaded. You have autopilot, you have radar, you have FLIR, sonar, everything you would need. Great family boat, great cruising boat, and an awesome fishing boat. Again, this is our 420 Scout. I am Tim McNulty, MarineMax Palm Beach. Feel free to call me at 561-508-1272. I'd love to show you the boat. Thank you.